So what I did here is I did a pencil test for Ratchet from Ratchet and Clank. You guys know, you guys play the games, right? Hold on. Oh, well. That's what Ratchet says. He's saying, oh, well. This is what I did for pencil animation for animating Ratchet. Yeah, I seriously did. I was animating Ratchet from our newest film, Ratchet and Clank Into Dimensions. Some pencil tests. I really did animate. That's what I really did right now. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show you for animating. It's just like animating Sonic on the flipbook. Those of you who watched it, if you didn't watch it, you do a search on Sonic flipbook, Sonic the Hedgehog flipbook. I didn't make it. Someone did. Some YouTuber. It's just like in the flipbook, like for animation, like you know, like animating for Walt Disney Studios. Yeah, animating for Walt Disney Studios.